Hey everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving right into something absolutely game-changing: how you can realistically turn your free time passions into an actual paycheck in 2026. And the best part? You don't have to quit your day job to do it. You know, we've all got that one thing we just love doing on the weekends, right? But getting paid for it? Well, it sounds like a dream, but we're going to look at the exact structured strategies to make it your reality.
Seriously, think about it for a second. What if the thing you absolutely love doing for free could actually make you money? Whether you're obsessed with photography, gaming, baking, or even sneaker collecting, it's time to ask yourself if you're ready to make that passion work for you. Now let's be clear, there are no overnight millionaire schemes here. It's just about smartly leveraging what you already know and love doing.
Okay, here is our roadmap for today. First, passion to paycheck. Second, the one-step mindset. Third, 5 ways to monetize. And fourth, your step-by-step starter plan. Let's get into it.
Section 1. Passion to paycheck. Taking smart, small steps.
So, the big secret here is that you really don't need to completely upend your life. Think about everyday things like photography, gaming, baking. These are your unwinding activities, right? Transforming them into income isn't about strapping yourself with some exhausting second job. No way. It's entirely about intentionally sharing a little piece of the joy you're already experiencing. Just small, smart steps.
Moving on to Section 2, the one-step mindset, breaking through the mental barrier.
Now this right here is the immense psychological relief you've been waiting for. Look at the expert myth. It's this lie we tell ourselves that we have to be some flawless master or a wise guru on a mountaintop to charge for our time. Honestly, that's the single biggest point of failure for new creators. Actually, scratch that. It's more like a mental roadblock. The reality? You literally only need to be one step ahead of a beginner. Think of it like a ladder. Novices actually learn better from someone who just figured it out themselves.
People will pay for your knowledge, even if you're still learning. I just love that quote. Your current unique process or those finished creations you make, they already hold real value. You're solving a problem or you're bringing someone joy. And fundamentally, you guys, that is exactly what a business is, completely regardless of where you happen to be on your own journey.
All right, Section 3, 5 ways to monetize, your realistic 2026 toolkit.
First up in the toolkit, content creation. Honestly, why not just hit record? You can teach what you know or simply document your hobby as you go. You definitely don't need some massive Hollywood production crew. By showing up on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, you start building an audience simply because people absolutely love watching other people create and grow.
And once that audience starts growing, the potential is just staggering. Many hobbyists right now are scaling up to earn anywhere between $1,000 and $5,000 a month, or even more. To put that into perspective, that is a life-changing amount of supplemental income, and it all stems from just documenting something you were going to do anyway. Crazy, right?
Second method, physical products. If your hobby gives you actual physical stuff, like art, crafts, baked goods, or even propagated plants, sell them. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, or just local farmers markets are perfect for this. And hey, if you're worried about managing a bunch of inventory, print on demand is a fantastic, super low-risk way to start selling custom items without turning your living room into a warehouse.
Okay, method 3 is where we build your income passively, selling digital products. This is incredibly powerful for 2026. Picture photographers selling their custom Lightroom presets or a knitter packaging up a unique pattern. You create the guide or the template just one time, and then you can sell it infinitely. It is literally the ultimate way to scale your hobby without scaling your time.
Fourth, we have offering services or coaching. Now, this one is very direct and immediate. Fitness enthusiasts can seamlessly transition into online consultations. Highly skilled gamers, you can actually offer paid coaching sessions to help other people rank up. You're directly trading your honed skills to help someone else achieve a real, tangible result.
Finally, method 5, affiliate marketing. And honestly, this often works way better for hobbyists than traditional influencers. Why? Because you are naturally authentic. When a gardener recommends a specific type of soil, it's gear they actually use in their own garden. When people buy through your recommendation, you earn a commission. It's a complete win-win, and it's built entirely on trust.
Let's bring it all together. Section 4, your step-by-step starter plan, bridging theory to action.
Okay, here is exactly how we stack your next moves. Step 1, pick just one method. Don't overcomplicate it. Step 2, create consistently, even if it's just once a week. Step 3, build that audience or storefront. Step 4 is the big milestone. Sell your very first product or service, and hey, price it low just to get that initial momentum going. And step 5, reinvest.
Because the core philosophy here, guys, is consistency over speed. Turning a hobby into income isn't some overnight magic trick, but staying consistent and taking that fifth step seriously, reinvesting your early earnings right back into better gear or expanding your reach, that is exactly how you guarantee steady, realistic growth over time.
So I'm going to throw this back to you. What is your hobby, and which of those 5 methods are you going to try first? The creator economy in 2026 is moving faster than ever, and everyday people are stepping up and claiming their piece of it. Are you going to keep giving your amazing skills away for free, or are you ready to take that first small action this week? The only real question left is, what is the cost of waiting?